Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what you can do if your drainage from the shower is blocked or it smells. So these little helpers you will find in the co-living area. Feel free to take one if you need it. You need to lift up this cover and then you have this one. Sometimes if it smells, it means it's not properly fixed on it. So you can push it down and then it shouldn't smell anymore. But to clean it, you lift it up and you can take out this one. In that case, that one is quite clean, but if you have long hairs especially, you will find a lot of long hairs inside and that may block your drainage. Just remove it, put it in and you're good to go.